Hello everyone, my name is Yifeng Huang, and this is my passport. Here show my names. Okay. Today I want to share the differences between Chinese and Americans in business customers. Under the title of globalization, the economic relations between China and the United States are more closely linked. So with the threatening of economic relations between the two countries, trade exchanges become more and more frequent. In the business activities between the two countries, because one party does not understand or misunderstand the other party's culture, conflicts often occur, which hinders the further development of the two countries' economic and politics. First of all, Chinese and Americans have different values. To be more specific, Chinese people stress collectivism, while American people emphasize individualism. For Chinese people, the group interest instead of the individual interest should be put on the highest position. And differently, American people think the benefits of individuals are much more important, for which the right and the freedom of individuals should get enough attention. Second, there are also obvious differences in people's thinking pattern between China and the United States. The things they pay more attention are different. In other words, Chinese people depend on their experience and feelings to a greater degree, while American people attach more importance to get logic and analysis. For certain things, Chinese people will firstly pay attention to the whole, while American people have more emphasis on specific details. And third one, in terms of the concept of privacy, Chinese people and American people hold different views at will. American people stress their privacy to a great degree. They do not hope that their affairs are intervened by others, and they do not want to intervene in others' affairs as well. When greeting others, they tend to talk about some public things, such as the weather. Differently again, Chinese people tend to have a lower standard toward their privacy. When greeting others, Chinese people like to talk about the place they came from just now, or are coming to. Fourth, in terms of the concept of time, there are also some difference between people in the two countries. Chinese people have a strong randomness in use of time, strong flexibility, not stronger planning, not paying attention to efficiency, lack of time consciousness. However, Americans value time very much. They regard it a necessity to be punctual, and they tend to arrange their time well, especially before visiting others. Making an appointment before that is always a necessity for American people. To conclude, there exists a huge difference between Chinese and Americans in their habits and customs in business activities. After all, Eastern and Western culture share a lot of difference. Only after such differences are made clear will the mutual understanding and the trend comparison between the two countries be more smooth. Okay, this is my speech. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, welcome to discuss with me after the speech. Thank you.